Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. So if you have been playing around with MAUI, you probably have noticed that in Windows it looks kind of naked. It's missing that icon that other applications have, such as OBS here at the top. So today in this video we're gonna add it, and it seems like a lot of code. All the code is gonna be in my GitHub, and there's actually a special, this is all in one commit, so you can just go and see exactly what I did. But I'll also go through it real quick here in the video, so just so you know. But yeah, if you want to go into detail and actually copy and paste, because a lot of this is easier to just copy and paste, just go into my GitHub and download the solution. So in here, I went into Windows and I copied completely this folder. This actually comes from the other 21 MAUI sample that the PM for MAUI has done. So I just kind of like grabbed that from there that are just basically native Windows classes that you would have to import. And probably this in the future will be included in MAUI. This is just if you're playing around with the previews. Other than that, I copied their tray icon, and here you would have to create your own, but I'm lazy, so I just grabbed theirs. Then created tray service. This one, once again, you'll have to kind of copy the internal of the code and just make sure that it matches your namespace. Everything else you can copy and paste. And same with Windows extensions. So this one uses pinvoke. So once you copy it, you'll get an error unless you add the pinvoke NUGET package right here at the bottom. And that's all we did in the Windows folder. Other than that, we just created a tray service. This is because if you saw the tray service here, inherits an interface. That's because in Windows might be different, but in Mac it's going to be different and so on. So you inherit it for each platform, and then you will call each on each platform. So here is the main one. It's very simple. Just has like the click handle and the initialize. And last we have to do, once again, it's a lot of copy and pasting. Paste this code, the one that I'm uncommenting, that basically is saying in lifecycle use the Windows stuff that we copied into that folder, and set the icon and the folder to the icon. One of the things is when you copy the icon into the folder, make sure that in the properties of that icon, you put that it copy to output directory. If not, you're just gonna get the blank out icon. And then we have to add another Windows, and then just add the Windows tray service as a service for your MAUI application. So other than that, we're ready to run. And as you can see now, we have the little robot here. So that's how you add the tray icon into MAUI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.